Back at it again with another video. So I wanted to talk about, my this past month with everything that I've been doing. So I want to talk about the good and the bad. Let me start with the good. So the good is that, I've been getting more work and doing photos and events and stuff like that, and I'm learning how to make videos. I did a marketing video, and I also did like some photos for the business of the client. So in that part, little by little, I'm grateful that I've been doing that. And also I've been, better at my emotions, right? Like, I'll be trying my best, especially right now that work, my normal job that I do in construction is so bad and it's really low on money. And that's why I wanna, focus a lot on the photo and events so I can get some type of money to start off. And, but yeah. And also what I'm kind of, what I'm doing good is I am actually reading a little bit more, but to be honest, this past week I slacked off at reading and I probably only read, a couple of pages, but I told myself a couple of pages is better than nothing at all. So at least I read something, but I get in the habit of reading, again. So that's good for me. But the downside, the bad side about this is that my fitness journey, like my weight loss journey, I lost like about 100 pounds the first time I tried this a couple of years ago, and I gained 40 pounds back. And right now, I said that I was gonna start everything like I did what I started with my going back with the, about reading books and stuff like that. And no, man, I haven't even started. I've gone to the gym once, and then after that, I just don't continue going. My diet is nasty. I be eating whatever it's like in the way from work, maybe because I'm stressed out and stuff like that. So I told myself that starting today, I was gonna little by little try to go and see if I could control my eating habits, at least go to the gym and do something that is going to help me, in this weekend. Because my issue with me is on the weekends. Every time the weekend comes, for some reason, I get stressed out, I'll get, unmotivated, and then I'll just eat like crap, and I don't want to do that. So what I'm gonna do is today, that is Friday, right now that I'm making this video for the tube, I'm gonna read and then get ready to go to the gym and do something, at least start, right? So yeah, man, it's just a quick video that I wanted to do, a little quick rant about my little, this past month, what is the good and the bad. So yeah, man, stay tuned for more videos.